Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the PC, safety first. Once done, ground yourself and open the case to access the GPU immediately. Use short bursts of compressed air to dislodge dust from fans and heatsink. Do not spin fans at full speed. After reassembly, boot to a monitoring app and record idle and load temps so you know the baseline. These initial steps both remove common obstructions and establish data you'll compare after further work. Now you move into diagnostic adjustments. You should reseat the GPU and verify all PCIe power cables are fully seated. A loose connector causes higher temps. Next, open fan control software and raise the curve or force fans to 100% for a stress test to separate airflow issues from thermal transfer problems. If temps remain high, apply a conservative undervolt or slight core clock reduction to lower heat output. This reduces power draw while often keeping performance acceptable. For final repairs, power off and remove the card to replace thermal paste and any degraded thermal pads. Use a small pea-sized amount and spread carefully if required. Reinstall the GPU. Ensure case fans provide clear front-to-back airflow, then run a 30-60 minute stress test while monitoring peak temps and fan RPMs. If the card still runs hot, confirm the PSU can supply stable rails and rule out a faulty sensor. If hardware faults persist, document temps and consider vendor RMA as the last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.